Welcome, my name is OPPO A73 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up settings app and from there scroll down to additional settings right here, and then again at the bottom you'll find backup and reset, and from here factory data reset. Tap on that and then we're interested in erase all content and settings. Erase data, and the process should now begin. So this will take probably a couple of minutes, and the process will be removing all the data, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.